Most people think managing money is difficult, but the first step is actually simple. It starts with understanding the difference between needs and wants. This one idea can change the way you spend and save money in daily life. Needs are things that are necessary for basic living. These include food, a place to live, electricity, basic transportation, and essential medicines. Without these, daily life becomes difficult. Needs are not about comfort or luxury. They are about survival and maintaining a basic standard of living. When you clearly identify your needs, you build a strong foundation for financial stability. Wants are things that make life more comfortable or enjoyable, but they are not essential. Examples include expensive gadgets, eating out frequently, branded clothing, or upgrading items that are still working well. There is nothing wrong with wants, but problems begin when wants start to feel like needs. In today's world, this confusion happens easily. Advertising, social media, and trends influence our choices. We often see others buying new things and feel the need to do the same. Many of these decisions are emotional, and emotional spending often leads to financial stress later. A simple habit can help. Before buying anything, pause and ask yourself one question. Do I really need this, or do I simply want it? Waiting even a day before buying can help you think clearly and avoid unnecessary spending. When you control wants, savings increase, stress reduces, and financial confidence grows. Financial education is not about becoming rich overnight. It is about building good habits over time. Remember, wealth is not built only by earning more, but by making better decisions every day.